Alright, hi everyone. Today we will be making a gravy recipe. I got this recipe from John McDougall. You can find it in his book, The Starch Solution, and it's also free online. So we're going to make John McDougall's golden gravy recipe. So first thing is you need 1.5 cups of vegetable stock. You just pour it into a pot. Then you need a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. I'm just going to measure this here. And that's about perfect. And then 1 teaspoon of onion powder. There you are. Okay, so now we're going to bring this to a nice high simmer. So put it on high heat and then we'll just wait. And I almost forgot, you will need 1/2 cup of water to add to this. And the reason it looks piss yellow is because it's the same cup I'm using as the soy sauce, but 1/2 cup of water into this little mixture here, and we're just going to wait for it to simmer. Alright, so now we have our pot simmering. We're going to add in some brown rice flour here. You want to just add in a little bit at a time and just whisk it in. And if you see any lumps, try to just smush them and break them up. You can see it gradually starts to thicken up and look more like gravy. So just keep mixing it, just look at it, make sure you get out any big clumps. And I'm just going to pour this gravy over some potatoes. As you can see, it's nice and thick gravy. This looks pretty good. Okay, so I guess I'll try a bite. That's actually pretty good. Definitely try out this recipe. It's definitely a nice gravy flavor, and it's really simple, oil-free, and cheap. So why don't you try out that recipe, and as always, keep making those vegan and vegan gravy gains.
What a relief! When will this poisonous product cease? This is another public service announcement. You can believe it or you can doubt it. Let us begin now with the cow. The way it gets to your plate and how.